So yesterday we have seen about the complex. Okay. So coordination complex. So what is the meaning of coordination complex? That also we have seen. So coordination complex. Okay. Um, the a coordination complex which when get dissociate. Okay. Look at this coordination complex. This coordination complex when get dissociate. Okay. It get dissociate. Then it gives rise to okay at least one complex ion. So have a look at it right now. You will observe that this is the one complex ion which is formed after dissociation of this dissociation of this coordination complex, and this is known as the coordination complex. So when coordination complex get dissociate, okay, when it is dissolved in water suppose, then it gives rise to one of the counter ion and one of the complex ion. So what is the counter ion and what is the complex ion, that you know very well. So this is called as a counter ion, okay, which is ionizable, which is not written inside the square bracket, okay. Fe, which is central metal ion, CN6 cyanide, this 6, okay, hexacyanide, this is called as a ligand, okay. So ligand along with this metal central metal ion and along with the charge is known as a complex ion, that also we have already discussed. So now this is about the coordination complex. Now we'll discuss about the Werner theory, okay, of coordination complex. Okay, we'll see Werner theory of coordination complex. So we'll write here, okay, Werner theory of coordination complex. So what is coordination complex, that we know very well. So what is coordination complex? So a coordination complex is what? It is a that compound in which when it dissociate, it will form one at least one. It will form at least one. It will form at least one कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन, ओके. तो एटलीस्ट जो एक कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन फॉर्म करता है, ओके, आफ्टर गेटिंग डिसोसिएट, that is called as a coordination complex. We have also seen what is a double salt. So double salt, when it get dissociate, it will form a simple ions, okay, that we have also seen. Now we'll discuss about the Werner theory, and this Werner theory which is about the coordination complex, okay, Werner theory about this coordination complex. So Werner theory about this coordination complexes, the first attempt to explain the nature of bonding in coordination compounds. Okay, in the coordination compounds like these are the called as a coordination compound, or we can call this as a coordination complex, in which when it get dissociate, it will give rise to at least one of the complex ion, and this was explained by Werner. Okay, so Werner, he has given he attempted this first, okay, and explained the nature of bonding in coordination compounds, okay, and was the postulates of Werner theory. We'll see what are the postulates, okay, what are the postulates of this Werner theory. So very first postulate, okay, very first postulate of the Werner theory, unlike the metal ions, okay, unlike the metal salts, the metal in the complex, okay, आप देख सकते हो इसमें, this is what a complex. We will not call this every time as ion. So when we call it as a complex, means this is having a charge, okay, central metal ion along with the ligand, and it will have this charge, will be called as a complex, okay. So unlike metal salt, the metal in a complexes possess two types of valencies. तो आप देख सकते हो इसमें जो दिखाई दे रहा है आपको Fe. Okay, so this is a metal, central metal ion. Okay, in this complex. So this central metal ion, it possesses a two type of valencies. Okay, so now we'll write it. Okay, unlike the metal salt, metal in complexes. So metal in complex possess two types of valency. Okay, it possess two types of valencies. Okay, it is having two types of value. Yes. So these are the Werner's theory. Okay, Werner theory, and these are the postulates. So very first postulate, it is about the metal in complex. Okay, so this is a complex ion, and metal. This is a central metal ion. It possesses two types of valencies. It possesses two types of valencies. Okay, so and what are that? It may be a primary valency that is ionizable, or it may be having a secondary valency which is non-ionizable. Okay, which is non-ionizable. So this is the first postulate. Okay, this is the first postulate of Werner's theory. Okay, let me see the second postulate. So the ionizable sphere, we have seen what is the coordination sphere. Yesterday we have discussed about the coordination sphere, which in which it consists of one central ion and the ligand, okay, bound to each in a square bracket. So ionizable sphere consists of entities which satisfy primary valency of a metal, primary valency of this metal. Okay, and these are primary valencies. Okay, these are generally satisfied by the anion. कौन satisfy करता है primary valency? तो ये primary valency है, ionizable valency, that are satisfied by generally anion. So this is the second postulate. We'll see the third postulate. Okay, and this third postulate is related with the secondary coordination sphere. Okay, so secondary coordination sphere consists of, so secondary coordination sphere, secondary coordination sphere, okay, secondary coordination sphere consists of entities which satisfy the secondary valencies. Okay, so secondary coordination sphere consists of entities entities which satisfy the secondary valency. Okay, satisfy the secondary valency. So secondary valency, these are secondary valencies which are satisfied, okay, by the secondary coordination sphere, and which it consists of entities and which satisfy the secondary valencies, and these are non-ionizable. So we know that the secondary valencies are what? These are non-ionizable. These are non-ionizable. We know very well about this, that these are non-ionizable. Okay. So the secondary valencies are non-ionizable. Okay, this parameter we know very well. Okay. So this is about the third postulate. So secondary valencies for metal ion. Okay, now this secondary valencies, this for a metal ion. Okay, this is secondary valency for metal ion. तो ये देखो metal ion इसमें ये वाला है. Okay, central metal ion. So the secondary valencies for metal ion, these are fixed. Okay, these are fixed. ओके ये क्या होता है? फिक्स्ड होता है. सेकेंडरी जो वैलेंसी है, ओके, मेटल आयन के लिए, दिस इज फिक्स्ड एंड satisfy by either and satisfy this satisfy by either anions or neutral ligands, by either anion or neutral ligand. Okay, or neutral ligand. Okay, ligands, neutral ligands. So number of secondary valencies is equal to the coordination number. Okay, and these number of the secondary valencies, okay, number of secondary valencies is equals to the coordination number. Okay, that is equals to Cn, that is coordination number. So coordination number of the central metal ion. Okay, so these are few postulates. Last one, okay, that we will write here. Okay, then we'll see the summary of it. So secondary valencies have a fixed spatial arrangement. Okay, so secondary valencies have fixed spatial arrangement. These have fixed spatial arrangement. Okay, इनकी जो arrangement है, okay, this is spatial arrangement. Okay, so the secondary valencies have fixed spatial arrangement around the metal ion, okay, around metal ion, around metal ion, and the two spheres of attraction in the complex. Okay, so two sphere of attraction. So we'll see what are these two spheres. Okay, one is the primary and another one is the secondary. Okay, so with the help of diagram, so once again we'll see what are the postulates. So very first one is the unlike, okay, unlike metal, unlike metal salts, the metal in complexes, okay, metal in complex possess two types of valency. Okay, जो complex में जो metal है, it possess two types of valencies, either a primary valency, either a or secondary valency. Then the ionizable sphere. Okay, so we'll see what is ionizable sphere. Okay, and what is another, that is secondary sphere. Okay, that is primary sphere and the secondary sphere. Okay, कौन सा है वो देखेंगे हम लोग. So ionizable sphere, it consists of entities which satisfy the primary valency. Okay, which satisfy the primary valency. Primary valency जो satisfy करता है. Okay, so of metal, and primary valencies are generally satisfied by anions. Okay, so primary valencies are satisfied by the anions. The secondary coordination sphere. Okay, we'll see with the help of example what is the secondary coordination sphere, and that consists of entities which satisfy the secondary valencies. And we know that secondary valencies are what? The non-ionizable. Okay, which is non-ionizable. Okay, so secondary valencies for metal ion, okay, are fixed. जो ये metal ion होता है, okay, उसके लिए secondary जो valency है वो fixed रहती है and satisfy by either anion, okay, anion से satisfy हो सकती है या फिर वो neutral से satisfy हो सकती है, okay, neutral ligand से. So either it is satisfied by anion or neutral ligands. Okay, so this is the third, and the last postulate is about the secondary valencies have fixed spatial arrangement around metal ion. Okay, around metal ion. So we'll see how these secondary valencies have fixed spatial arrangement. Okay, so if we will see the example, okay, so two spheres of attraction in complexes, consider the example CO NH3 6 hexamine Cl3, and this is the complete, yes, this is a complete coordination. Okay, or this is complete complex. Okay, we can call this as a coordination sphere बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so look at this coordination sphere. Okay, so coordination sphere या फिर हम लोग इसको बोल सकते हैं yes complete complex. So right now look at this. The two spheres of attraction in the complex will be represented. How it will be represented? So CO, it is the central, yes, CO cobalt, it is the central metal ion. Okay, and this total, how many ligands are present here? 6 ligands of what? Ammonia. So hexaamine. Okay, so its nomenclature also we are going to see in next lecture. So this is NH3. Okay, NH3. So the arrow is facing towards what? The arrow is facing towards the electron deficient metal ion. Okay, so आप देख सकते हो, this is the general representation of coordination bond. Okay, coordination bond को ऐसे represent करते हैं. Okay, so nitrogen is sharing its electron pair to the cobalt. Okay, so this is NH3 and this is the H3. Look at this right now. Okay, so this NH3 6 times and this cobalt which is in present in a square bracket. किस में present है ये वाला? Square bracket में present है. Okay, square bracket में present है and this is this square bracket. Okay, this square bracket which is called as coordination sphere. Okay, this is called as a coordination. Okay, yeah, we know we have already studied coordination sphere, but this coordination sphere of the which category? A secondary category. Okay, so a secondary coordination sphere. This is called as a secondary coordination sphere, which is a non-ionizable. Okay, so secondary, so non-ionizable, and the remaining this Cl3. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे Cl3. So this Cl3. Okay, so this is the ionization sphere. This is ionization sphere. So this is ionization sphere. Ionization sphere means what? It is a primary sphere. Okay, it is having a primary valency. Okay, it is having a primary valency and primary valency which are ionizable. Okay, ionizable. So in this way, the secondary valencies have fixed spatial arrangement around the metal ion and the two spheres of attraction in the complex. Okay, so these are called as a two spheres of attraction. These are called as a two spheres of attraction in a complex. Okay, two sphere of attraction in complex. So a complex में ये दो sphere of attraction है. One is a primary sphere, another one is a secondary sphere. Okay, that is called as a coordination sphere. Secondary sphere को coordination sphere बोलते हैं. And this is called as a ionization sphere, which is ionizable. Okay, and that is a primary sphere. Okay, so this you will have to remember. So when a complex is brought into a solution, okay, consider this is a complete complex and is brought into solution, it does not dissociate into simple metal ion. When this cobalt, okay, this CO NH3 6, okay, that is hexaamine, and this Cl3 is dissolved in water. Okay, when this is dissolved in water, the additional information, this is dissolved when it is dissolved in water. Okay, so it does not give test for CO3 plus or NH3. Okay, so it does not give this does not give it does not give the test for that CO3 plus, ये ions है CO3 plus ion and or NH3. Okay, ये नहीं देता है separately. Okay, so however on reacting with AgNO3, okay, so however when react with, but when this compound, okay, this complex is react with AgNO3 silver nitrate, okay, AgNO3 and a curdy white precipitate of AgCl. Okay, so it forms a curdy white precipitate. It forms a curdy white PPT, that is precipitate. Okay, precipitate of सिल्वर क्लोराइड. ओके, AgCl का, क्योंकि ये देखो इस क्लोरीन में से और ये अमोनियम नाइट्रेट में, सॉरी दिस सिल्वर नाइट्रेट में से AgCl कंपाउंड फॉर्म होगा एंड दिस AgCl corresponding to 3 moles is observed. Okay, AgCl 3 moles will be observed. 3 moles will be observed. 3 moles will be observed. Okay, why 3 moles will be observed right now? Because of 3 molecules are present for the chlorine. Okay, so here 3 moles will be observed. So these are what Werner theory or Werner postulates. Okay, of the coordination. Okay, of the coordination complex. Coordination complex के लिए. So now we'll see the problem number. Suppose 9.1 देख लेते हैं. चलो problem number 9.1 देख लेते हैं. Okay, so problem number 9.1, 1 mole of purple colored COCl3 and NH3. Okay, so look at the problem. So theoretically problem है ये वाला. Problem number 9.1. So 1 mole of a purple colored complex COCl3 and NH3 on treatment with excess AgNO3 produces 2 moles of AgCl. Write the formula of the complex if the coordination number of cobalt. So कोबाल्ट का इन्होंने कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर जो है वो दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी 6. अभी इसका मीनिंग है कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. यस्टरडे वी हैव सीन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. So total number of the atoms which are present in the ligand, they are donating their electrons pairs to the central metal ion. If it is present 6, then only the coordination number will be 6. तो ये coordination number 6 कैसे आ सकता है? Okay, so we know very well that 1 mole of complex gives 2 moles of AgCl. Okay, 1 mole of complex, this is very important, 1 mole of complex gives, it gives 2 moles of this AgCl. Okay, सिल्वर क्लोराइड जो है, okay, 2 moles मिलते हैं. 1 mole when complex, okay, it gives rise to 2 moles of AgCl, and it indicates that 2 Cl ions react with Ag plus ion. Okay, so 2 Cl ions react with 1 Ag, with Ag plus ions. Okay, Ag plus ions. The complex has 2 ionizable Cl minus ions. So now we will generate the formula, cobalt being the central metal ion. Okay, and it is having, yes, इसमें एक जो लिगैंड है वो ये रहेगा NH3, बराबर है. NH3 will be the ligand. Okay, so coordination number 6 है, तो देखो, और क्लोरीन भी अटैच्ड है. ओके, सो ये देखो एक क्लोरीन अटैच्ड है यहाँ पे. सो दिस वी विल टेक 5. ओके, सो NH3 5 एंड दिस वन विल बी द क्लोरीन, एंड बाकी जो क्लोरीन है Cl2. सो इन दिस वे वी विल राइट इट. ओके, आप देख सकते हो. ओके, इन दिस वे वी हैव रिटन दिस. सो CONH3 5 times Cl2. 1 mole of complex gives 2 moles of AgCl. It indicates that 2 Cl minus ion react with 1 Ag plus ions. The complex has 2 ionizable Cl minus ions. So it is having 2. ये देखो, ये ionizable, ये क्या है? Ionizable. Already ये वाला portion है. Okay, जैसे Cl3 में ये वाला जो portion है ये क्या है? Ionization sphere है. So this is ionizable sphere. Okay, this is ionizable sphere, and this is a coordination sphere. This is called as a coordination sphere. Okay, so you have to remember this. This is called as a coordination sphere. Okay, so हमने already देखा हुआ है coordination sphere consists of central metal ion along with the ligand attached. और बाहर वाला जो होता है वो ionizable sphere है. Okay, which can ionize, which is also called as a counter ion. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Counter ion भी बोलते हैं. Okay. So this is about this question number. Okay. So a complex with coordination number 6 has octahedral structure. Okay, जो structure जो होता है जिसका coordination number 6 होता है. Okay, so such complex whose coordination number is 6, their structure is octahedral structure. Yes. So a complex, okay, जिस कॉम्प्लेक्स का कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर, अभी जस्ट देखा हमने कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स, जो उस कॉम्प्लेक्स का अगर 6 है, इसमें इट मींस there are 6 atoms which are present in the respective ligands, that they are donating their electron to the central metal ion. And if the coordination number is 6, then it has octahedral structure. Okay, coordination number 6 यानी octahedral structure. Structure कौन सा है उसका? Octahedral structure. So this complex will have octahedral structure. Okay, क्या रहेगा इसका? Octahedral structure रहेगा. Okay. So when 4 coordinating groups, okay, when 4 coordinating groups are attached To form metal ion, the complex would either be with square, planar or tetrahedral structure. Okay, so this is another parameter that we will write for the coordination complex. Okay, so consider when when coordinating group, this coordinating group are attached. These are attached. These are attached to metal ion. ये मेटल आयंस के साथ अटैच होते हैं मेटल आयंस के साथ. ओके, एंड द कॉम्प्लेक्स जो फॉर्म होगा एंड जो कॉम्प्लेक्स जो फॉर्म होगा. ओके, द कॉम्प्लेक्स जो फॉर्म होगा. ओके, whatever the complex which will be formed when the metal ion will attach with the coordinating group. So this complex would either be a square planar. Okay, ये जो complex जो formed होगा, complex which will be formed, it will have either geometry I will write down square planar. Okay, it will have a square planar geometry. Okay, or tetrahedral structure. Okay, or it will have a tetrahedral structure. It will have a tetrahedral structure when the coordinating group are attached to a metal ion के साथ जब coordinating group attach हो जाते हैं, so it will form a complex, and that complex which will be formed, either it will have square planar geometry or it will have a tetrahedral structure. So this is about the complex. Then we will see, we'll classify the complexes. Okay, so we have seen what are the complexes. Okay, क्या है complex? Coordinating complex क्या है? Okay, so coordinating complex which will get dissociate, which will form at least one we can say it will form at least one complex ion. Okay, that is called as a coordination complex. So now we'll see the classification of these complexes. Okay, coordination complex बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so we'll see what are the classifications. Okay, so we'll see what are the classifications of these complexes. So classification of complexes. Classification of complexes. Okay, classification of the complexes and the coordination complexes. Okay, so we will not every time we'll use a word coordination. This is actually the coordination complex. Right now we are discussing about the coordination complex. So classification of the coordination complex, these are classified according to the types of ligands. Okay, these are classified, okay, on the basis of first, it is classified on the basis of types of ligands. Okay, types of ligands के basis पे classify किया हुआ है. Okay, and next it is classified and sign of charge on complex ion. Okay, sign of charge. What is the sign of the charge? Plus minus neutral क्या है? Okay, sign of charge over on complex ion. और वो कॉम्प्लेक्स है. सो कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन के ऊपर क्या चार्ज है? फिर से देखते हैं एक बार. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो वी हैव सीन व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स व्हिच व्हेन गेट डिसोसिएट, इट विल फॉर्म एटलीस्ट वन कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन फॉर्म करता है, एटलीस्ट वन. तो जो भी कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन जो फॉर्म हो रहा है, ओके, सो दिस क्लासिफिकेशन इज डन बेस्ड ऑन टाइप्स ऑफ लिगैंड्स. कैसे टाइप का लिगैंड फॉर्म हो रहा है. ओके, विल सी व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द लिगैंड्स व्हिच विल फॉर्म्ड इन द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स. द साइन ऑफ चार्ज, क्या चार्ज प्रेजेंट है यहाँ? ओके, प्लस है, माइनस है, किसके ऊपर? कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन के ऊपर. ओके, कॉम्प्लेक्स जो आयन है, ओके, उसके ऊपर क्या चार्ज है? ओके, सो you know what is a complex ion. Okay, so this is called as a complex ion. Suppose this is Cn6. Okay, this is suppose 4 minus. So what is that? This कोऑर्डिनेशन स्पीयर, ओके, सिर्फ अगर इतनी अगर बात करें, ओके, सो दिस विल कॉल्ड एज अ कोऑर्डिनेशन स्पीयर, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ कोऑर्डिनेशन स्पीयर बोलते हैं इसको, ओके, एंड along with this charge it is called as a complex ion, along with this charge it is called as a complex ion. तो ये डिफरेंस ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने पढ़ लिया है, ओके, सो ट्राई टू refer previous videos, okay, based off what complex ion, coordination sphere, counter ion, वो पढ़ो आप लोग, okay, then only you will understand this, okay. So these terminologies are very important, okay, until unless you are understanding these terminologies, further portion समझने में, because these words, okay, what is the meaning of coordination complex, what is the meaning of coordination sphere, what is the meaning of counter ion, what is the meaning of complex ion, ये पता होना चाहिए आप लोगों को. What is the meaning of ligands, what are the types of ligands, okay, how they are contributing, how they are donating their electrons. So try to refer the previous video, very important, okay. So now classification we will see on the basis of these two categories. So classification on the basis of this, so classification on the basis of types of ligand. So we'll see very first, okay, that is on the basis of types of ligands, on the basis of types of ligand. तो कौन से ligands है, okay, so coordination complex में, so very first in this category is the homoleptic complex, okay, homoleptic complex. So the complex, okay, one which is forming only by one type of the ligand. So what is that? Homo means same, okay, and hetero means different, okay, hetero means different and homo means same. If same molecules take part in formation of the ligand, अगर सेम मॉलिक्यूल से या तो वो एक टाइम हो सकता है, दो टाइम हो सकता है, तीन टाइम हो सकता है, चार टाइम हो सकता है, मल्टीपल टाइम्स हो सकता है, बट सेम मॉलिक्यूल, if the same molecule is bind with the central metal ion, okay, so that is called as a homoleptic complex. तो homoleptic complex में क्या होगा, only one type of molecule, okay, not a different types of molecule. So homoleptic complex, consider the example, that is CO, this NH3, अंदर में लिखना चाहिए NH3, okay, NH3 4 times and this is Cl2, okay, so consider this as, sorry, example ही गलत हो गया हमारा, yes, because it is homoleptic, so CO cobalt NH3 6, okay, and this is 3 plus. Now you observe this, complex, okay, you observe this complex ion, okay, so what you will observe here, NH3 is the ligand which is attached with this cobalt. How many molecules of NH3 is present? 6 molecules are present. Apart from NH3 ammonia, is there any other ligand which is attached with this cobalt? No, only one ligand which is attached, okay, one ligand but 6 times, it is 6 times, okay, so that's why it is called as a homoleptic complex. So the complex which is having only one type of molecule, if it is having another different molecule in it and that is attached with this cobalt, so that will be called as a heteroleptic, okay, that will be called as heteroleptic, that we will see. So homoleptic, a complex, okay, here only one type of ligand, okay, here only one type of ligand is attached, or one type of ligand is ligand surrounds, okay, ligand that surrounds to that surrounds the CO, that's cobalt 3 plus ion. आप देख सकते हो, this is cobalt 3 plus ion which is central metal ion which is present, and this NH3, 6 molecules of NH3 is present surrounding to this cobalt 3 plus ion, and that is why it is called as a homoleptic, having same type of molecule, okay. So same type of molecule. So the complex in which metal ion is bound to only one type of ligand are homoleptic. Only one type of ligand. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे only one type of ligand which is present over here. Another second category in is called as a heteroleptic complex. Okay, hetero means different. Okay, so heteroleptic complex. So in heteroleptic complex, so this heteroleptic complex, it will form when the central metal ion is attached with the different ligands. Okay, so we'll see with the help of example. So consider the example. So this cobalt. Okay, right now this cobalt is attached with this NH3. Okay, NH3 four times, and chlorine. So chloride, that is Cl2. Okay, and this is what. Okay, now look at this example. Okay, heteroleptic. Right now this cobalt CO3 plus is attached with this NH3 four molecules, and as well as it is attached with this Cl2 chloride. Okay, molecules के साथ भी attached है. That's why it is called as a heteroleptic complex. Hetero means many ligands which are bind with the central metal ion, and it is forming heteroleptic. There are two types of ligand. So NH3 and Cl attached to this CO3. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला NH3 and this Cl, okay, these are attached to CO3 plus ion in such complexes in which metal ion is surrounded by, okay, so metal ion is surrounded by metal ion which is surrounded by metal ion which is surrounded by more than one type of ligand, more than one type of ligand, more than one type of ligand. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे more than one type of ligands which are present. One is NH3. In this NH3, this is the nitrogen which is sharing their electron pair to this cobalt, as well as this is chlorine Cl. Okay, Cl chlorine which is sharing their electron pair to this cobalt. So two types of ligands are present here. Okay, so that's why heteroleptic complex. So you can even see the classify the different types of homoleptic as well as heteroleptic. Now the another part we will see, that is classification on the basis of charge. Okay, so second b type dekhte hain. Okay, a type ho gaya hamara. Okay, now we'll see the b type. So b type classification on the basis of charge on the complex, on the basis of charge on complex. ओके, कॉम्प्लेक्स के ऊपर क्या चार्ज है, ओके, उसके बेसिस पे कैसे डिवाइड किया है वो देखेंगे हम लोग. ओके, सो विल सी. So very first in that category, okay, is called as a cationic complex. Okay, cationic complex. So the complex which is having this cationic charge, that will be called as a cationic complex. So a positively charged coordination sphere or coordination compound having a positively charged coordination sphere is called a cationic sphere. Okay, so simply in short, in very short words, I will write down. Okay, so positively charged coordination sphere. Okay, positively charged coordination sphere. Okay, positively charged coordination sphere. Positively charged coordination. So coordination sphere अगर वो positively charged है तो उसको बोलेंगे cationic complex. Okay, so we'll see the examples of it. So this is the coordination sphere Zn NH3 4 times, and this is 2 plus. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे this is a 2 plus charge, and this 2 plus charge will indicate that it is a cationic complex. So we can say that this is also cationic complex and this is also cationic complex क्योंकि इसमें positively charged coordination sphere है. Okay, so another one is another example of this is, अगर देखा जाए तो ये CO, we'll write first NH3 5 chlorine Cl, and this is SO4. Okay, so this is also a cationic complex. So how it is cationic complex? This has a latter coordination sphere. इसका latter it is having a coordination sphere latter it is having a coordination sphere. Latter it is having a coordination sphere. So it is having coordination sphere like this CO. This is NH3. Okay, 5U Cl SO4 cancel होने के बाद. Okay, and it is having, yes, 2 plus charge. It is having this 2 plus charge, and this will indicate it is a cationic complex. क्योंकि इसमें जो anion है ये SO4 2 minus makes it electrically neutral. Okay, so इसमें जो ये वाला जो है इस कंपाउंड में SO4 2 minus. Okay, इसमें जो ये है SO4 sulfate SO, that is SO4. So this is the anion. Okay, SO4 2 minus is the anion, and it makes it electrically neutral. Okay, so this makes it electrically neutral. Electrically neutral. समझ में आया? So in this way, if you will see here, if you will observe here, this is actually, it is a cationic complex. Okay, but this SO4 2 minus के कारण, because this is anion, ये वाला क्या है? Anion portion है SO4 2 minus, जो which is attached with this complex, and उसके कारण ये उसको न्यूट्रल कर रहा है. ओके, इसके कारण उसको न्यूट्रल कर रहा है. सो दिस पार्ट CONH3 5 times. Okay, that is Cl2 plus. This is a cationic complex. This is a cationic complex. Okay, next one is the anionic sphere complex. Okay, anionic sphere complex. यहाँ पे ये वर्ड होना चाहिए, ये भी स्पीयर होना चाहिए. We are talking about coordination complexes. So anionic sphere complexes. Anionic sphere complexes. So right now look at this anionic sphere complexes. So as same as that of cationic complexes. Cationic complex में positively charged है, anionic में negatively charged रहेगा. Okay, so negatively charged coordination sphere. So it is what? It is a negatively charged coordination sphere. In short, I will write down negatively charged coordination sphere. Negatively charged, CS means coordination sphere or coordination compound. Okay, so for example, this example लिख रहे इसके. Okay, example is this Ni Cn cyanide 4 times, and this is 2 minus. Okay, this will represent a anionic complexes. Okay, anionic complexes. Another example, if we see this K3, this Fe cyanide Cn 6. Okay, this have anionic coordination sphere. Okay, this is having anionic coordination sphere. कैसे इसका anionic coordination sphere है? So we'll see this is Fe Cn6. जो charge है इसके ऊपर वो है 3 minus. Okay, this is a charge which is over this. But due to this K plus ions, but इसके कारण क्या हो रहा है? K plus ion के कारण क्या हो रहा है? This makes it electrically neutral. This makes it electrically neutral, same as that of this. Okay, same as that of this kind. So this is anionic sphere complex. And the last one, okay, last one classification is a neutral sphere complex. Okay, neutral sphere complex. Neutral sphere complex. And in case of this neutral sphere complex, a neutral coordination complex does not possess a cationic or anionic sphere. या तो उसमें cationic भी नहीं रहता है. Okay, no cationic. Okay, neither cationic nor anionic. Neither cationic and nor anionic complex बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay, sphere बोल सकते. Okay, so neither it is cationic and neither it is anionic. Okay, so example is cisplatin. Okay, platinum NH3 twice and Cl2. This is being the example cisplatin. Okay, which is used for the cancer treatment. Okay, cancer treatment के लिए use करते हैं, देखा हुआ है. और chemotherapy drug है. Okay, so platinum NH3 twice Cl2. Okay, so this is have neither cationic or nor anionic this complex, but it is having a neutral sphere complex. Okay, it is having a neutral sphere complex. So this is all about the classification of the complex. Okay, coordination complex, classification of coordination complex on the basis of two types, on the basis of ligands. How many ligands? If only one ligand is attached, one type, not one type of ligand. If only one type of ligand is attached, then that will be termed as a homoleptic. And if more than one type of ligand, if there are a number of different molecules which are as a ligand are attached to central metal ion, that will be called as a heteroleptic. Hetero means different. Okay, homo means same. If it is having same molecule, then it will be homoleptic. Hetero means different. Now on the basis of charge on a complex, अभी देखो complex के ऊपर अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो सकता है तो क्या क्या हो गया, कैटायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया. अगर निगेटिव चार्ज है उस कॉम्प्लेक्स के ऊपर तो ये हो गया आयनायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स. और अगर नहीं कोई चार्ज है तो दैट विल बी व्हाट, अ न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स, न्यूट्रल स्फीयर कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो इन दिस वे we will conclude today's lecture. And now in next lecture we have to study, okay, the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, we have to see the IUPAC nomenclature, okay, of coordination compound. Okay, coordination compounds का हमें IUPAC nomenclature देखना है. That is very essential or an important part.